All the hearing notice says is that it's in response to a complaint by a state trooper, and that Zuchowski is required to be present at the hearing and will be required to produce his license. Zuchowski was found not guilty last year of all 15 charges he faced in connection with the crash that killed 7 motorcyclists in Randolph back in June of 2019. Ryan Russman, an attorney unrelated to this case, tells me the Department of Safety has the authority to suspend people's driver's licenses in circumstances that resulted in death.
The department has the ability to suspend driving privileges of those individuals that may hold out-of-state licenses, so you'd be suspending the privilege, not the actual license themselves.
After his acquittal, Zuchowski was taken into ICE custody and could have been deported to Ukraine. So questions remain about where he is and where his driver's license is from. We have not heard back from his attorneys about either of those things.
The outcome of the trial aside, past history and very recent past history would say to me that, this guy doesn't need to be on the road. The roads are dangerous enough as it is.
Manny Ribeiro, former president of the Jarheads Motorcycle Club, survived the Randolph crash. He said he struggles with it every day and will be at that hearing next week.
I lean on the people that I love and the survivors, some of the survivors of that day, and the loved ones of the ones we lost in particular. That's what it's about now.
And that attorney, Russman, says a suspension typically follows back to the home state. Zuchowski also has an outstanding case from Connecticut for an OUI arrest that happened back in 2019, a month before the Randolph crash. In the studio, Hannah Cotter, WMUR News 9.